What's up, everybody? Mr. Ball back at it. We have a project today. The project is we are going to paint the wagon. So let's get inside the barn and paint this wagon up. Here it is.
Dad, can you sit down?
No, we gotta paint it. Look at it. I messed it up whenever I shot the paint can with the BB gun. Or the sheetrock can. I need to get these nails out of here too. Need to pull those out. Get this thing in tip-top shape. So I'm thinking of just painting the entire thing one color. The way it looks, we should. Maybe all black. Do I have any black spray paint? Let's see what we have in the barn here. I don't think I have all of one color. We have a full can of green. Let's see if we have two at least. Nope, that one's pretty much empty. We have a full can of this one. Let's see. Yeah, we have green, but green would be ugly. I think I need to wait and paint it black. So the next clip will be of me painting the wagon. It will be all black. I don't think it'll look good in green. Those are two different greens anyway. So yeah, I'll see y'all on the next clip. Peace. Alright, so I can't paint it today, but what I can do is I can nail it. So let me get the nailer here. Brad nailer, Ryobi. Made like a few videos on this, my most popular ones. Especially the depth penetration and all that good stuff. But yeah, one of my favorite tools right there. So we're about to nail that bad boy up today and we'll paint it tomorrow. Alright, I was thinking matte black over everything. I was like, oh no, let's go with that. So I was like, okay, I think I'll just paint the red and leave the wheels alone. So if we're going to do that, I think I have red and to get the battery. So let's see. I guess this isn't really a vlog or a chronicle or anything. It's just a DIY type video, I guess. Anyway, let's get in here. So anyway, I have this red right here. This might cut it. We'll see. I think I can just get the inside with this. Alright, we're about to test it out. Let's see. This will set up the camera over here somewhere. Get this thing going. Oh man, you know what? It's really windy, so I don't think I'm going to paint today. It is really windy. I need to paint on a still day. So we're still going to have to save that clip for another day. So stapler right here. Oh yeah, let's see what size nail we're going to use. I'm holding on to this box because I got the electric scooter and it's a 90-day warranty, so if anything happens I have the boxes in the bag. Once the 90 days is over I can throw this thing away. Let's get to the nails. There they are. That's what goes in the Brad nailer. We don't need the 2-inch. I think what I'm going to use, those might even be too long. I need to use these right here. The shorter ones. I think these are 1/2 inch. Yeah, these are the 1/2 inch right here. Load that bad boy up. Alright, so it's already got some of the 2-inch in there, so let's take those out. Full capacity. Yep, a little bit too much. Let's break these in half. The depth is all the way. We want to really drive these in. Actually, that's what it's set to. All right. screws are tightened up. Wood solid. I'm fixing it up because, you know, I got the new sun. I pulled Zoe in this all the time. It's time to put the sun in there. But actually, it's time to pull Zoe and him in there. I just need to get it painted in back to tip-top shape. It's all faded out. All right, the next time we turn this camera on for this item here, it will be to paint it. See you next time. Alright, so we got the wheels black. Now we set the wheel. There's the finished product. Simple as that. Just need to air up the tires and let it dry. Or let it dry, then air up the tires. Alright, this thing is dry now. Oh, it looks like I missed a spot right there. It is dry, so it's time to air up the tires. Right there. Yeah, bring those footballs over here. You gotta get the air pump to air up the tires. Something I picked up from my old job and got for an anniversary. Power wagon. Works great. Still holding up. Hey, go get those footballs. Zoe, where are you going? Alright, turns out we have a big hole in this tire. The other ones are aired up. Working just fine. I do have patches, so I'm going to have to take this off and patch it up. And then Sam can get inside. Alright, got the tool kit, got the patch kit, so we can patch this tire. And we can get that thing going right there. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm taking this off the tire. This is the tire that's flat. I don't think this will give me access to pull this off of here. I think this is just for the ball bearings. Alright, so I just discovered that whole piece does come out, so I do have access to this. Alright, so we got the patch on there. Now all we got to do is let that dry a little bit and then we'll put it in, put it back together. Sam's wagon will be going in no time. Alright, we got it all back together. We just patched it up. Let's hook it up. Let's see what we got. So I guess Samuel will be riding in no time, but he's sleeping, so we'll have Zoe do it. Let's get this bad boy in there. Alright, the wagon is good to go. Aired up, off-road tires. We are good. You miss your wagon, Zoe?
Huh?
You miss your wagon?
Yeah.
You have to share it with Sam now. Dee, 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 dee. Alright, let's go for some rides. See ya.